The indicator looks for the fifth dimension trade signals and marks them on the chart. A detailed description of the chart patterns that generate the trade signals can be found in Chapter 8, The Balance Line Trades, in the book Williams' New Trading Dimensions and Quant. Signal levels with indication of the position entry or stop-loss placement price are indicated directly on the chart. This feature creates additional convenience for the trader when placing pending orders. A solid horizontal line is displayed in case a signal level is broken. A dashed line on the chart indicates a level, the breakout of which may change the market trend. A vertical dashed line is drawn from the high, low, of the basic bar to the signal level. Probably you have already tried many binary bots you found online. We hope you can understand that no bot can give you 100% of the profits in 24 hours. But if you test many bots, you might get or find some bots which you can use regularly. Digit Match Bot is one of the safest bots out there. In this post, we are going to share a 5th updated version of this Digit Differ bot. By the way, if you like, you can also check out other binary bots, for example, one-touch safe binary bots or Digit Over binary bot. In the binary or Forex market, the less you take the risk, the higher your profits. Digit Differ bot is the lowest risk bot out there, so each trade's return is low. But you can get a higher winning ratio using this binary bot. This bot automatically identifies the last digit different number. It will be a random number by analyzing the LDP. The main point of this 5th update of this bot is non-martingale. Yes, there is no chance of losing all your investment within a speedy time. You know that martingale is the main reason to lose money in binary options trading. If you can remove this martingale from trading, you will not lose your entire balance within a quick time. Although Digit Differ bot gives you a low return of the trading profits, you can get a higher winning ratio than other profitable binary bots. So if you want to keep safe to your balance, you can use this binary bot. You can start this binary bot with a $50 investment. Initially, the stake can be $1, $2. Target profit should be 5% of the account balance. Please do not run any bot for a long time. The less you are in the market, the better for you. If you like, you can also check the setting of the bot and customize your own benefits. You can play around with it. All the binary bot file is XML format, and all the XML binary bots work on binary or derivative platforms. Binary or derivative platform bot is totally different from other binary options broker. Usually, other binary options brokers do not allow bots. You can use a manual robot to get the signal to trade like Boss Pro bot. The profitability of this binary bot is the highest. You can make good profits using this binary bot if you use this bot wisely. Please test this binary bot on your demo binary account. After you are getting good results, you can go to the real account and market profits. You can find the download link of the most secure bot out there in the button below. How to start. Step 1. Binary bot registration. https://provenbinarybot.com/bot or deriv. newbinary.com brand. https://provenbinarybot.com/deriv. Step 2. Go to bot.binary.com or deriv.app/bot. Step 3. Upload the downloaded XML file. Step 4. Run the bot. Step 5. Make money. Recommended settings. Recommended balance is $50 initial amount, $0.35 stop loss, $50 target profit, $1, $2. You can use more, but making 5% is already very good. Settings. Show line equals true, show the signal lines, false, hide the signal lines. Be show level equals true, show the prices of the signal levels, false, hide the prices of the signal levels. Be alert equals true, show alerts about a breakout of the signal level, false, disable the signal block. Be push equals false, send push notifications about a breakout of the signal level, false, disable the signal block. Be mail equals false, send email notifications about a breakout of the signal level, false, disable the signal block. Buy level equals CLR lime green, color of the buy level line. Sell level equals CLR red, color of the sell level line. Zone filter equals true, enable the OW and AC indicators based